Guys, if you're getting this error, then you need to check whether in your build Gradle it has the double slash, okay, of this location path, or you need to check your valid Python version. So example, open CMD, okay, just I checked, I have version Python 3.13, okay, but here I mentioned 3.11, so it is wrong. So I need to put 3.13. So I'm trying to change it and saving it and clicking the sync now, or go to file and then click sync project with grade files. Super cool. Now it is success. Now I'm gonna try to run the file. Superb, friends. Now it's perfectly working. See, but I'm getting error premature file. Okay, I'm getting something like premature file. But this is a different error, but that issue is resolved. So this is the way you can fix the Python error. I will be explaining this error in next video. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedbacks in my form. Thank you. Bye. Take care.